Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, where we explore and answer common questions that people ask. Today's question is: how does a microwave work? Have you ever wondered how that magical box in your kitchen known as a microwave oven works its wonders? Today, we're going to take a peek behind the scenes and uncover the science behind this remarkable invention. So, let's dive right in. At first glance, a microwave oven may seem like a simple appliance, but beneath its sleek exterior lies a complex mechanism designed to make our lives easier. It all starts with the heart of the microwave, the magnetron. The magnetron is responsible for generating the microwave radiation that heats our food. When you set the cooking time and press start, the magnetron springs to life, producing high-frequency electromagnetic waves. Once the microwaves are generated, they bounce around inside the microwave oven thanks to the reflective metal walls. The food placed inside the oven is exposed to these waves, and that's where the magic happens. Unlike conventional ovens that heat food from the outside in, microwaves work differently. These waves penetrate the food and excite the water, fat, and sugar molecules present in the food. As the molecules vibrate faster and faster, they create heat. This heat is what warms up your food quickly and efficiently. The microwave's rotating plate ensures that the heat is distributed evenly, preventing any cold spots. But what about the different power settings on your microwave? Well, those power settings control the percentage of time the magnetron is actually on. By cycling the magnetron on and off, the microwave adjusts the overall power level. It's important to note that not all materials are microwave friendly. Metal, for example, reflects microwaves and can cause electrical arcing or sparks. So, it's best to avoid using metal containers or utensils when microwaving your food. Once your food is inside the microwave, you can sit back and relax. The timer counts down, and when it reaches 0, the magnetron turns off, bringing your cooking cycle to an end. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to heat your meals using the power of microwaves. Now you know the science behind this everyday kitchen appliance. Next time you use your microwave, take a moment to appreciate the technology and ingenuity that went into making this remarkable invention a reality. The microwave oven truly revolutionized our kitchens and continues to be an indispensable tool in our fast-paced lives. Thanks for watching. If you found it interesting, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.